Dreamer Industry, established in 2009, is your good choice of inflatable supplier that strive for excellence in design, mold, produce, or ship inflatable products, like but not limited to below: air mattress, towable tube, inflatable lounger, PVC boat, inflatable kayak, inflatable sofa, inflatable water fun toys for kids, inflatable swimming pool, and more. We are located in Dongguan with convenient transportation access. With decades of experience both producing and exporting, we don't simply meet clients' demands for high quality, low costs. We exceed above because of our constant innovations. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates, many patents for sofas and airbeds. Our feature advantage: fluent English online meeting with clients, multiple choices of designs, 100% quality testing before shipment, professional and experienced work staffs, certificated products, experiences of cooperating with famous brands and companies, OEM or ODM order acceptable. Since 2009, our cooperated clients cover United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, Germany, Netherlands, Italy, Spain, France, and many more European countries. Compare with last year, our annual turnover gets highly increase because of good quality and after-sale service. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your projects, freely to contact us, work with us. We assure you'll get professional one-stop solution service for your brands. Bring you into a wide and trusted inflatables variety.